Here's something that came home with me yesterday from the thrift store. So it's a 90's Toastmaster box fan model 4437. And once again, my lovely husband noticed it before me. And I gotta thank him for that. And I did. So, yeah. I mean, not as much of a big score, but these Toastmasters are getting harder to find in the wild. And I had a few some years ago, but we're not going to discuss what happened to them because we all know what happened to them. Either way, but yeah. Toastmaster. I cleaned as best I could. The only thing I can do to get the grills better is if I could get a parts washer or go to a self-serve car wash. Which I don't think they would let me do that because I don't know. I don't care anymore. And it has the handle. I know. Normally I would be all, it's got the handle, but honestly, if these break, you can get like a box of product or something that has plastic handles that'll fit right in. And yes, it has a McMillan motor, and I broke that slat because how the heck was I supposed to get the plug out? There's another broken slat right there. So I guess we're ready. We're going to plug it up. We're going to give it a go. Alright, we're ready? Here's time. And despite the fact that most Toastmasters from the 90's wobble, this one doesn't, so go me. And I did get the oil motored up, so it probably just needs to be broken in for a little more. Who knows? Here's some information. It's upside down. 4437, 115 volts, 2.6 amps, 60 hertz. Toastmaster Incorporated, Boonville, Missouri. So yeah, so 2.6 amps. So remember that, kids. 182 watts, 101 watts, at 1.96 amps, so it's on spec, that's good. Medium. .06 amps at 94. So 53 watts at 6407 amp. Cool. Back to the high right fast. Here we go. One final spin down. Okay. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. This circa 1990s, maybe 91, 92 Toastmaster box fan 4437 that my husband found at the thrift store, and I had to get it because, well, you don't see too many of these in the wild anymore. Hell, you didn't see too many of them when they were brand new. So, any victory I can get is that, a victory. So, yeah. And the fact that it has the McMillan motor, so that's pretty good. Even though when I cleaned it, it said Toastmaster, but it's not Toastmaster. We all know it's a McMillan, so that's that. And, yeah. It's amazing they kept this blade design since the 70s, so that's that. That's pretty cool. So, that's it. I'm Eskie. Until next time, thanks for watching. Come on, box is open.